Does arthritis make cooking feel painful or frustrating? You're not alone. But the good news is, with the right tools, you can keep cooking comfortably and confidently. In this video, we'll show you smart kitchen tools designed to reduce strain and make cooking easier for those with arthritis. Let's get started. Your hands will thank you. Standard utensils can be hard to grip, but arthritis-friendly utensils have wide, non-slip handles that make holding and cutting easier. Some even come with angled designs to reduce wrist strain. These small changes can make a big difference. Struggling with jars or bottles? Try automatic jar openers or rubber grip openers that reduce the need for force. Electric openers are also a game changer. Just press a button and let it do the work. Chopping with arthritis can be painful. Food choppers, mandolins with safety guards, and rocker knives make prep faster and safer. You don't have to grip tightly, just press or rock gently. Heavy pots and pans can cause wrist pain. Look for lightweight, non-stick cookware and pan holders that keep items steady. Also, oven rack pullers and easy-lift kettle tippers reduce hand strain during cooking. Standing too long can also hurt joints. Anti-fatigue mats underfoot and seated prep stations can make a big difference. Organize your kitchen so essentials are within reach, less bending, more comfort. Living with arthritis doesn't mean giving up cooking. With the right tools, it becomes easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more senior-friendly tips. And tell us in the comments, which tool are you most excited to try?